Hello, in this video we're going to look at the PUM 5-lead ECG monitor. We're just going to run through the controls, where you place the electrodes and how you can print off your results. First, to turn the system on, just hit the orange button, hold it down and it will come up to this start screen. The system does work on battery, but you can also plug it in to charge up the battery, and it is a mix of a touch screen and also button controls. To start your scan, what you want to do is input your patient details, so just hit the top left hand side of the touchscreen and this will bring up the page where you can enter your patient ID, the name and the age of the animal. Then just select OK. For the leads, you can see on the leads itself it gives you a handy little tool to show you where to place the leads. And we recommend using either ultrasound gel or some alcohol or some water just to put on the leads, just to make sure you get good contact. We usually use ultrasound gel and found that works well for us. So as we mentioned, you can follow the guide to attach the clips. And what we would usually do is just put a bit of gel in on the clip and then attach it. And what you want to do, so we have our red, which is our right. So just on the right leg there, just above the elbow, just grab a bit of skin and attach the clip there. And you do the same with the left. We've already put some gel on this one. You just want to grab that skin just above the elbow, clip it on. And then the back legs, we have the black which goes to the right one. You just have a bit of skin at the top of the leg, clip it on. The green one on the left side. And then the right clip you want to attach just around the sternum. So again, just grab a bit of skin, pull it out and attach it there. Once you've connected the leads and your animal is nice and relaxed, you should see a nice trace on the screen and you should get a solid baseline which isn't squiggly. If you're getting lots of squiggles on the baseline, it probably means there's artifact and you just need the animal just to relax a bit more. On the top right hand side you get a heart rate, so that's taken from the QRS complexes. And once you're happy with your reading, the green button on the bottom, if you just press that, it will sample the ECG for you, and once it's taken a sample it will print out the results. The printout will give you the results there, details such as the heart rate, and then also some diagnosis information. We do recommend you read the ECG yourself. Diagnosis information can be handy as a guide, but we recommend you read the ECG yourself and don't take that as gospel. So that's how to use the PUM 5-lead ECG. If you've got any questions, just write them in the comments below. Or if you have any helpful tips that might be good for us, also write them in the comments below. And we'll add a listing onto our website so you can see the system itself.